Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet join as you go granny squares so that you don't have to sew them together. So I'm making 3 round granny squares, and you're gonna have to leave the last round off so that you can join as you go. So if you're doing like a 4 round granny square, just do 3 rounds and then wait on the 4th. So now that we have our 2 squares, you're going to crochet your 3rd round around one of your squares. You're just gonna do this as normal. So you're just gonna start one of your corners, make your 3 doubles, or however many you have. Just make your normal 3rd round or whatever round you're working on granny square and just go across. One finished granny square, and we still have this one. So for this one, you're just going to work, you're going to get your white yarn or whatever yarn you're using for this final round, and you're going to start in the corner, make those 3 double crochets, and then you're going to crochet your granny square till this next corner space. In the corner, I worked my 3 doubles. I did not do the chain 3 more doubles, because now we are going to add our next square. So you're going to chain 1. You're going to take your other square. You're going to go, take your hook, and you're going to go down and in. So you can go like this. And then you're going to pick up your yarn, make a slip knot with that, and chain 1. Now you can work your 3 double crochets into this corner section. All right, now you're going to insert your hook into the finished square's chain space. If you didn't do chain space, just insert it into that open space the same way you did with the corner. Make a slip knot, make a slip stitch, and that counts as your chain 1. So you don't have to chain 1 to get to your next space. You're just gonna go right into there and make your 3 doubles. Then you're going to slip stitch into this finished squares chain space. So insert your hook the same way for all of those and just make a slip stitch. And then you're going to work it to the corner space here. So just make your 3 doubles, and then you are going to insert your hook into this corner space and do the same thing you did before. You're gonna chain 1, insert your hook, make a slip stitch, and then you're going to chain 1 again. And then you can finish off that last 3 doubles in the corner. And now you can just finish off the rest of your square, finish off the border the way you normally would. much gonna do the same thing. Start your square like this, and for the chain 3, you're gonna chain 1, then you're going to slip stitch into that bottom chain space on your finished square. You're gonna chain 1, and you're gonna work those last 3 doubles into that space. Then you are going to slip stitch into that next chain space. And you, like I said, that counts as your chain 1, so you're just gonna work right into that next space, make your 3 double crochets. Slip stitch into the next chain space. Go into your corner, work the 3 double crochets, but do not work any further than that. Do not work your chain 3. Then you are going to chain 1, slip stitch into this corner space, chain 1, and work your last 3 doubles into this space. Then you can just finish off your square as normal. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.